Welcome to our presentation today, and you are with me, Emmanuel Arenafi Molande. Our presentation for the day centers around the contingency theory of leadership. Specifically, we are going to discuss the concept of contingency theory, two specific models related to contingency theory, and their applications. What is contingency theory? Contingency theory contends that there is no single best approach to leadership. Leadership styles vary from situation to another. This means that it is the duty of leaders to choose the best leadership style that best suits a given situation. What are the models of contingency leadership? There are many models of contingency leadership, some of which are the Fielder model, the path goal model, and the situational leadership model. What is the Fielder model? The Fielder model says that the most effective leadership style for any given situation is the one that aligns with a particular situation. This means that leaders must be changed according to situation and their skill sets. For a given situation, there must be an evaluation of the required skill sets and choose a leader that would best deal with that situation. But in practice, it is difficult to change leaders now and again. And therefore, the thinking of the Fielder model is that leaders must adapt to a given situation by changing their leadership style depending on the situation. The second model is the path goal model, which is developed around two factors. These are the subordinate characteristics and the environmental factors. An interplay between the different factors will help a leader to select a particular leadership style. Leadership styles under the path goal theory fall into four categories. Leaders might be directive, they may be supportive, participative, or achievement oriented. So depending on their focus, they are going to decide or they are going to choose the best leadership style to address the issues at hand. Much as we have different models of contingency theory, they have one most common thing. This is to do with their flexibility to choose a leadership style that will be able to address a particular situation. What are the applications of contingency theories of leadership? In our day-to-day lives, leaders are going to meet different situations as they are running organizations. And it is difficult to change leaders depending on the situation. Therefore, the contingency theory calls all leaders to be flexible, to adapt to different situations, and choose specific leadership styles that are going to help them to address given issues. Therefore, firstly, a leader must be able to choose or to identify a leadership style. From there, the leader must seek feedback from his team, from his followers. Depending on the feedback, the leader will be required to seek improvements depending on the situation at hand. And as the time goes, the leader will continually assess the situation while at the same time keeping on improving the leadership style so that the situation is continued. It is essential for a leader to know his employees, to know his followers, so as to be able to align the problem at hand, which is the situation, as well as the characteristics of the followers, so that he performs well in his day-to-day lives and as well in particular situations. Thank you for your attention. Once more, you are with me, Emmanuel Arenafe Morande.